Go. Go.
I went to the park yesterday. I went to the park yesterday.
I went to the park yesterday.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
I go to school every day.
I will go to the store later.
I will go to the store later.
I will go to the store later.
Eat. Eat. I ate a sandwich for lunch.
I ate a sandwich for lunch.
I ate a sandwich for lunch.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
I eat breakfast at a.m.
I will eat dinner at 8 p.m.
I will eat dinner at 8 p.m.
I will eat dinner at p.m.
Run.
Run.
She ran a marathon last year.
She ran a marathon last year.
She ran a marathon last year.
She runs every morning.
She runs every morning.
She runs every morning.
She will run tomorrow.
She will run tomorrow.
She will run tomorrow.
Speak.
Speak.
He spoke at the conference yesterday.
He spoke at the conference yesterday.
He spoke at the conference yesterday.
He speaks 3 languages.
He speaks 3 languages.
He speaks 3 languages.
He will speak at the event next week.
He will speak at the event next week.
He will speak at the event next week.
Write.
Write.
I wrote a letter to my friend last week.
I wrote a letter to my friend last week.
I wrote a letter to my friend last week.
I write a lot of emails at work.
I write a lot of emails at work.
I write a lot of emails at work.
I will write a report tomorrow. C.
I will write a report tomorrow. C.
I will write a report tomorrow. C.
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 I saw a great movie last night.
I saw a great movie last night.
I saw a great movie last night.
I see my friends every weekend.
I see my friends every weekend.
I see my friends every weekend.
I will see the doctor next Tuesday.
I will see the doctor next Tuesday.
I will see the doctor next Tuesday.
Take.
Take.
I took a picture of the sunset yesterday.
I took a picture of the sunset yesterday.
I took a picture of the sunset yesterday.
I take the bus to work every morning.
I take the bus to work every morning.
I take the bus to work every morning.
I will take a vacation next month.
I will take a vacation next month.
I will take a vacation next month.
Work.
Work.
She worked on a project last week.
She worked on a project last week.
She worked on a project last week.
She works at a hospital.
She works at a hospital.
She works at a hospital.
She will work overtime tomorrow.
She will work overtime tomorrow.
She will work overtime tomorrow.
Read.
Read.
I read that book last month.
I read that book last month.
I read that book last month.
I read a book before bed.
I read a book before bed.
I read a book before bed.
I will read a new book soon.
I will read a new book soon.
I will read a new book soon.
Sing.
Sing.
She sang at the concert yesterday.
She sang at the concert yesterday.
She sang at the concert yesterday.
She sings in a choir.
She sings in a choir.
She sings in a choir.
She will sing at the event next weekend.
She will sing at the event next weekend.
She will sing at the event next weekend.
Drive.
Drive.
I drove to the beach last weekend.
I drove to the beach last weekend.
I drove to the beach last weekend.
I drive to work every day.
I drive to work every day.
I drive to work every day.
I will drive to the city tomorrow.
I will drive to the city tomorrow.
I will drive to the city tomorrow.
Dance.
Dance.
They danced all night last Saturday.
They danced all night last Saturday.
They danced all night last Saturday.
They dance at the party every Friday.
They dance at the party every Friday.
They will dance at the festival next month.
They will dance at the festival next month.
They will dance at the festival next month.
Play.
Play.
I played soccer yesterday.
I played soccer yesterday.
I played soccer yesterday.
I play the guitar.
I play the guitar.
I play the guitar.
I will play chess with my friend tomorrow.
I will play chess with my friend tomorrow.
I will play chess with my friend tomorrow.
Think.
Think.
I thought about it for a long time.
I thought about it for a long time.
I thought about it for a long time.
I think it's a good idea.
I think it's a good idea.
I think it's a good idea.
I will think about your suggestion.
I will think about your suggestion.
I will think about your suggestion.
Drink.
Drink.
I drank tea this afternoon.
I drank tea this afternoon.
I drank tea this afternoon.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
I will drink water before the workout.
I will drink water before the workout.
I will drink water before the workout.
Make.
Make.
I make dinner every night.
I make dinner every night.
I make dinner every night.
I made a cake for her birthday.
I made a cake for her birthday.
I made a cake for her birthday.
I will make a salad tomorrow.
I will make a salad tomorrow.
I will make a salad tomorrow.